The suitcase, it's aboard already, and now I'm waiting for my flight. Here is the airport of Santos Dumont. It's the national airport, not the international one. Let's hope that my bike gets there very, 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 very nice. Moment of truth. This part always gets me anxious. Oh, there she is. Let me show you. I get so happy when I see it. Look at it. All locked. Everything's secure. The thing is, they did a very smart thing. When we got out of the plane, we got out line by line. So airport, it's almost just me. Never seen that. So people are still walking. There's a lot of luggage here. I'm waiting for my family, but you know, I had to come first because I want to see the Brompton. So now we're getting a transfer, going to the hotel, and I'm gonna put my Brompton back together. I'll show you how. In Curitiba. And here is my very nice hotel room. A lot bigger than mine. So let's see how my darling Brompton is. Let's put her together. I was so worried because we put a Ziploc and my scissors are inside of this bag because you know you cannot carry in the airplane. And so, oh, and I look for a knife, and there's no knife. So, oh my God. Do you know what happened? He put in the wrong side. Look. Just pull it. So, beware. When you put in the Ziploc, put in the right side. If not, it doesn't work. So, let's put her together. Oh, I still have a lock and another lock, but, you know, better safe than sorry. One of my mother's presents. It's Christmas, you know. Yeah, she's fine. Looks fine. Let's check it out. Shoes. Bromptons are fabulous. Let's put her back together. I'm wearing a hat because my hair is like this. I don't know why. So I put a hat, you know. Let's put her back together. Wow, let's see. It's so easy. Everything's here, everything's fine. So let's start with the seat because it's the easiest. And I'm just gonna put in and not really tighten it because I still have to let out. But remember that we make a mark. Can you see it here? This mark here. So when I put it back, I'll know exactly where it's supposed to go. So remember, 2 O-rings, 10, 6, all the way in, okay? You don't have to put it right yet, just put it in and that's fine. When we put her all together and standing up, I'll put the level and then straighten it. Put my rust towards the front, my seatbelt rust. I know, still in the post office. I know, I called them. I asked them, but not yet. Okay. Now, let's put the clamps. They're the same, so it doesn't matter if you put it here or here. Let's take the Velcro out. and mount it. Let's see if the suspension is working. Yes! Amazing, right? Okay. Now, you do the seat. To do the seat, you have to put it straight as possible, but I don't think I can put it straight here. Let's go to the wall. Well, the way to do the saddle is put it standing up, straight, in a level floor, and get like a app that tells you, or doesn't have to be especially for bicycle, can be like this one, bubble level. I like this one. There's a lot of levels. And well, first thing, remember that we make a drawing here, so you have to find it. Where was it? In my case, it's here, see? So you put it in the right place, then you put this on top. Let me show you. And it's gonna tell you, so you have to put it straight. Bicycles that the handlebar are higher than the saddle has to be straight. If the handlebar is lower, very lower, a lot lower than the saddle, then you can tilt a little bit towards down, you know, but not this way. So it's yeah, almost there. Okay. I put it straight, will be right. Somebody asked me if mine would break, and it did break. This here used to be like this, so this part, it's broken. But for me it got better because I couldn't fit this between this part and this other one to tighten it. So this way it's working better than before. But I had to be careful. It breaks. She's so clean. It's perfect. If you notice, I didn't bring the pump. It doesn't work, so I'm not bringing it. I have the other one. It's a lot better. I'm sorry. I love Brompton. I love Brompton. I think Brompton is so clever, so great, but it doesn't work. And I like things that work. And one of the reasons that I love Brompton is it's very clever. It's very smart. So let's put this back, this here, and put that ready to go. And a quick ride. Remember this Velcro? I'm gonna leave it there because I can use it. Protects the frame from the cables, and also ready to go, you know, when I need to pull my bike or push my bike with the seat high, you know. So I just put this back wheel, grab to the frame, and push through the seat with the seat. It's linked like this. Learning. Now I have a kickstand. Before, I used to leave this slide here, and every time that I opened, I had to take it out. So I was thinking, I love to think, and I put like a elastic here, so I don't have to take it out anymore. So much easier. I'm too lazy. I don't like to spend a lot of effort in things. So I kept thinking to see the easiest way to do things. And I love when you guys tell me something that, wow, you know, I didn't know and makes my life easier. Oh, I love it. Love your comments. You just screw it so it's fixed. and then pump it. See? That was a great tip. Thank you. Look, it doesn't even move. Is that great? Let's go for the cockpit. Garmin goes here. I put it here because it's easy to access, you know. I don't have to take my hands out of the handlebar, and I can. Time for a ride. That's it. I arrived very fine, me and my darling Brompton. We are here in Curitiba already, and I'm in a beautiful place. I have fish on it. It goes passeio público. The Brompton's fine, everything's perfect, nothing is broken. So let's wait for the next days. We're gonna have some very nice rides because I have great friends here in Curitiba, great bike riders, and 2 of them has Bromptons. Is that cool? Oh, if you did like the video, thumbs up. It does help the channel, and I'm having such a great time with this channel, meeting so many great people. Well, love you guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, down here, see here? Yeah, that's me riding a bicycle. Just click on it and it will be a subscribe. Then you subscribe, and after you subscribe will be a little bell. Yes, the little bell. Do you know what this for? This is to tell you, to notify you the day the video is out. And because I never have the right time to publish it, sorry for the back noise, a lot of birds here. It's good back noise, right? It's better than dogs and cars and motos. So I never have the right day, and I'm doing 2 weeks trip in Curitiba. I'm not gonna ride every day, but every day that I ride, I'll make a little video. See ya, bye bye.